Hello. Once again, welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So today I am here with a different topic, that is algebraic expressions. You have studied in last class what is a numerical expression. This is somewhat similar. I told you expressions are to represent some information. In numerical expressions, we are using only numerals and arithmetic symbols. So here, what make it difference of algebraic expressions from numerical expressions? It is also used to represent some information. So before going to this example, I would like to explain the meaning of algebraic. When you reach in 9th standard, mathematics is splitted into two parts, algebra and geometry. And you already know that geometry is the study of measurements of various objects around us. Whereas algebra is the study of numerals and also unknown variable, unknown number, how it is. The word algebra is derived from the Arabic word aljib, which means reunion of varied splitted parts. From that only it came algebra, variable. Using variables and numerals, we are solving various problems mathematically. So in algebra, we are using what? Variable. Variables means the unknown value. That we are using alphabet. A to Z alphabet you can use for that. So in algebraic expressions, alphabets or variables also will be there. So here see the examples. Sum of a number and 5. A number, which number is not knowing. So for that we can use any alphabet. I used here X. That unknown number is X. And the other number is given. That is 5. So similar to the numerical expressions, follow the same method. Sum means plus. So X plus 5. What it read as? Sum of a number and 5. Sum of a number. What is that? X. We are not knowing which number it is. X and 5. Another one. 7 times a number. Times means what? Multiplication. 7 into y. I used here y. Unknown number. 7 times a number. A number I used y. Any alphabet you can use. Next one. 3 more than a number. Same way in the numerical expression. A number you have to use an alphabet. That's all. So 3, here plus sign and here the number x. So x plus 3. 3 more than a number. A number is x. So how it is expressed? X plus 3. And 4 less than thrice a number. You have to start from the right side. 4 less than, thrice means what? 3 into. 3 into x. So how it is? 3x minus 4. Clear? 4 less than thrice the number. 4 you have to subtract from what? Thrice the number. 3x. The number is x. Next one. 5 added to twice a number. Similarly, 5 added to what? Twice the number. I taken the number as y. Twice the number, 2 into y. So when the letter or alphabet is used, the multiplication sign is not necessary to write. 2y means 2 into y. Clear? Here also multiplication sign it is, but it is not necessary to show the multiplication sign. So 2y plus 5. 2y means what? 2 into y. Clear? 2y plus 5. 5 added to 2 times a number. Next one. A number divided by 3. Either you can write y upon 3 or y divided by 3. In this way, when an expression contains numerals and variables, also arithmetic signs like addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc., then the expression is called algebraic expressions. For what it is used? To express certain information. Clear? So, understood the difference between numerical expression and algebraic expression? Both are used to express certain information, but in numerical expressions only numerals and arithmetic signs are there, operation sign are there, but whereas in algebraic expression, what is more? Variable is also there. Unknown number we represent using alphabets. It is called variable. Variable means what? Its value is not fixed. It can be any value that we are not showing here which value it is. Which value, if it is fixed, then it become numeric expression. Clear? So that is all about algebraic expressions. I want to explain today. More and more you have to learn about these algebraic and numeric expressions. It is very important. Now, if you like this lesson, please press like button. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.